Hi, I'm Danny. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a wig wearer, a wig shop owner. Today I want to show you one of my favorite updos. I know you asked for this a couple times, actually many times, and it's really simple, but my technique, I have to flip my head over, so here we go. And I want a high bun, so I always bring this all the way towards the center, and you pull down on the sides here. And this is not pinned on. Just make sure you have all the hair centered so that it's a high bun. Okay, so this is a regular hair scrunchie, just regular. I'm keeping it this at the very top of my head so it's a high bun. I'm going to loop once, twice, and then I always pull down in the back, and I always just kind of pull some of this hair so that it's more soft, gives it a softness. I pull down here, and if you have baby hair, I pull this down. There you go. I'm wearing Angelica in Lavender Arc. If you like, remember that you can always keep this a little more secured. I'm just using a little alligator clip. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of hair here. And this definitely just keeps it in place. Here you go. So this is Angelica in Lavender Art, and like I've said before, do not be afraid to make your wigs your own. Don't be afraid to pull them up. Don't be afraid to use accessories, little clips, headbands, hair clips, little scrunchie bands. The one thing that I do advise you is when you take it off at night to store it, make sure that you take the style down and take all the clippings out. Always remember to live big in your ROP wig.